Alright, so I'm going to try to walk you through how to do a single strand chase around your window as quickly as possible here. So you normally, let's see, let's use this upper window number 2, which is represented on here as upper window number 2. So if you put a chase on right now, a single strand effect, this is typically what it does. It'll just start over here on the left, light up the whole left side, and then go across and then light up the whole right side, which is not what you're looking for. You're looking for it to go up, over, and down, completely chase around the window. If you're doing multiple colors, you can try the pinwheel effect and see what that gives for you. So if we dropped the pinwheel effect down here on upper window number 2, and we wanted to do several effects or several colors, render that. It may give you kind of what you're looking for. That would look like this, where it's just kind of going around the window with the different colors, and then you can play with the settings here and crank the thickness up so it's a little thicker going around the window, because I need to update it and render it. There you go. Give you a little thicker, but it still may not be what you want. What you may want is actually just a single color chasing around the window. So what you got to do there is, instead of using your actual window model, you need to create a new model. So we'll go over to the layout tab. We'll go down to upper window number 2, which should be somewhere in here. Upper window number 2, there it is. Okay, models, upper window number 2. See what channel it is, 4840. We'll just copy that channel number and get out of this. Then we'll create a new model. We'll call it upper window 2 single line, or SL for single line. Then the model display type will be a single line. RGB nodes, number of strings will be 1. Pixels or RGB nodes per string 50, because there's 50 on my window, but it'd be whatever your window is. Starting channel, this will just be the same. And then the last thing that I'm going to uncheck is part of my display, because I don't want just a random single straight line sitting out here somewhere. So it'll just kind of be hidden in the background and duplicated channels as the window. Hit OK. Hit OK. Then we'll go back over here to the sequencer and we'll just add that other window. So edit display items, add upper window. We're looking for that SL number 2. We'll add that thing in there. Now when I take that SL, it's still got that effect from up top, of course, on it, because it's the same exact channels. So there's the upper window number 2, and there it is again down below. So if I delete this effect up here and re-render, or render, it'll remove it there. But if I go in here and just do a single strand effect now and drop it right here on that upper window number 2, it actually does what we're wanting it to do now. It's just chasing straight across. So if I just wanted a single color, we'll get rid of these other two. Just wanted blue to chase across through there. We want to do a little thicker. Now it's just going to go right across the window like this. Just chase around it. Pretty simple stuff. Of course, you can mess with the speed on it and the size and the colors. Make multiple colors, whatever you want to do here. But hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. So just create a separate model as a single strand effect. I use this. Matter of fact, with all of this stuff. So I use this with my Weber tree. I use this with my model, my mini trees, and I use it with my snowflakes. So I use it in a lot of different places where I create a single strand, just so that I can get the different chases and use the single strand effects on that independent model. All right, hope that helps. See you.